You heard that the government is setting up special crime zones. And this community is actually asking for it. 3 people killed along Hill Avenue in Olympic Gardens on Monday. And residents say their community, which is located in the West Central St Andrew constituency, represented by the Prime Minister, is now ripe for establishing the first zone of special operations. They said it was important to send the right signal, saying that the Prime Minister's constituency or sections of it should be used as an example. Well, that's good. They said they would support the move. They think that it makes good sense that the special zone is set up there. The murderers must know that the law must stand and they cannot win the fight.
What's supposed to happen when they set up this zone? What's supposed to happen inside
apparently
of that zone?
the security forces just have a little bit more freedom and authority.
Okay.
So they could stop and search
anything.
Yeah, which they kind of do now.
Right. So what's special about the clampdown?
I think they're just looking at the areas that have.
It's a little bit like you're telling me they're gonna have martial law.
It's almost space. Like that. 697 persons so far up to June 24.
Jeez.
Went up from 584. Boy, it is. You know, this morning I was stopped. But you know, I have absolutely no problem. If this is going to help, you can stop me on every single corner. And again, it kind of showed what the officers went through. I saw the car, because when I turned, the car was way up the road. And in a couple of seconds after I turned, I saw them behind me. So I kind of knew it was police. And when they put the lights on and I pulled over, the police officer came out, but he stayed way behind and he asked me to roll down my window, which I did. He said, turn on the inside light, which I did. And you kind of understand then what they're going through.
Right.
Because as a regular citizen, I kind of said to myself, why I have to do all of that? But I understand it's dark, it's 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah,
and
they have to
probably
be their own safety
a little bit as scared as I am when things like that happen. And when I drove off, I kind of said, boy, they have a tough job.
Yeah, we were talking about
it. And again,
yesterday.
Because my car is tinted, obviously, so they can't see in the back of the car, so I had to roll that down and I turned on the light. And in the end, I felt good that I was all right.
Yeah.
But the more I think about it, 584 last year, almost 700 killed so far this year. Well, more than 700 now because the 697 was up to
right,
June
and
24.
then you now have to add all these people that happened yesterday
and
July
July 5. So they have a tough job, and if this is gonna help, well, you can't stop me every corner.
Yeah, we talked to Daly and I said the same thing yesterday.
Right with that.
If that's what you need, then do things.
If it is going to help, stop me every corner. I don't have no issue with that, and I don't have anything to hide actually, so I'll be good.
You sure?
That I don't have anything to hide? I'm positive.
Go read your Bible.
I am positive I don't have anything to hide.
So, you know about the missile yesterday that North Korea tested?
Kim Jong-un.
Yes, he did. He tested a missile yesterday, and it has left the United States and China split over how to deal with the aggressive rogue state. So China and Russia have called for concessions on both sides, and the U.S. has made no public move to open talks. They just, you know, renewed some force and a show of force with South Korea. So they successfully, North Korea that is, successfully tested an intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM.
They're suggesting that it could reach Alaska.
Yes, my dear.
So if it can reach the United States, then now they're concerned because this man looked like he might start World War IX.
But you notice how persistent he's been and how on it, like for the last couple of months, he's like in his head, have to reach it, have to reach it, have to reach. Well, there you go. This one reached an altitude of 2,802 kilometers. So it can reach Alaska.
There you go.
And they can now strike America.
Yep. All right. This next one, my daughter, everything she puts on her body, she makes herself.
That's wonderful.
I know they say makeup done with food.
I think we have there's a little video on YouTube.
Then dog now run you down and stuff if you have.
Dog now, what about the bees? Because it's like sweetie and cocoa powder and stuff. There's a vlogger. Her name is Missy Ye. I hope I pronounced it correctly. She uploaded a clip to YouTube, her YouTube page, and she used food only on her face. And I mean, look at her face. That's cool.
No, but what they do, they fix it or they just use the
No,
grape?
she used
Right, that's
cocoa.
what I'm saying. That they fix it is
See,
not like,
look,
yeah, but it's not like them just take a piece of mango and
I
just
rub on
apply
the
it to
face.
your-
No,
That's
no,
what I'm saying.
No. But it's really.
But don't a
soft.
lot of stuff like that would be made with food anyway? I'm asking.
No, nowadays, unless you buy organic stuff or you actually go to a natural store to get the things that are made naturally, then you don't get it. Most of the makeup you look at the bottle tab, triglyceride,
And then should have to put something in it that it don't smell of all the food that.
I wouldn't
That's
mind
just
smelling like
So
Skittles
you don't
and
put nothing in
Oreos
So
and
you smell
cocoa
like
powder.
beetroot and all
No,
kind
no,
of-
look at what you use.
Yeah, but I'm saying
Oh
if she
God,
just.
is that tomato sauce?
That's what I'm saying. So if you just do it like that, don't you go and walk up and down smelling like a cafeteria?
I suppose, but I don't mind smelling like Skittles. Yeah, do you mind smelling a female smelling like cocoa butter? And
No, but I don't want
Oreo?
this overbearing
I don't
food.
think it's
Like
overbearing.
everywhere I walk, I just smell food. I don't necessarily want that. I'm asking, I'm not saying.
I don't know.
Because I said, Camila, everything she puts on her body,
It's
she
natural.
makes it herself. It's natural. I don't know what she make it from. But I'm sure you have to put, I don't know if it's preservative or something. You have to put something in there. 'cause
But
you
that's the
couldn't-
thing. You don't use preservative. That's why she.
So you
does it
just squeeze
naturally.
out a piece of mango and
You know,
rub it
so
on
she
your
squeeze
face.
out the beetroot and that's her lipstick. Look at it this way. The makeup that we use on her face has a smell. Look. So she's showing you. Look.
Yeah, but I'm saying, but obviously that is something that you put in there that don't look like that comes straight from food.
She blend it with
Right,
cocoa
thank you
powder
very much.
and what? Right. So.
So while she put it on her face, she eats. That is a marshmallow.
She used a marshmallow to apply it. Go, girl. That look like it could have worked.
As I said, I just don't want every single animal in the world that walk behind me.
Liquor.
But, you know.
What the? Okay. Why? First of all, why she have a chicken in there? I'm confused. Meaning she even used that for a brush. Okay.
Okay.
Why she have the chicken in there though? That question that don't concern you.
You want me to call her? Because I don't know why you're asking me like me and I related.
No, I'm asking if it doesn't concern you that she has the chicken in there.
It concerns me that I don't know exactly how, but I'm certain she don't just use it so. I'm positive about that.
But you just saw it.
I'm positive about that.
All right. Okay.
All right.
He
We're not
knows
doing
it.
this other one here.
Yeah?
The JC graduates.
Oh, yeah, man.
They sing
That's good.
Chronics. Is there a video? Can we see this?
There was a video posted. I hear it, but I don't see it. Oh, there we go.
I like
Okay.
it. I like it.
I don't think anything is wrong with it. I know people are gonna jump up and be like, "Oh, that's inappropriate," but I think
What
it's
is
cool.
inappropriate?
A lot of people, they expect you to go.
Oh, something like that. And the
think that's
youngsters,
cool.
they just graduate. They're happy. They want to do something different
I
and
think that's
happy. I
cool.
like that. I think
Me
that's
too.
quite
Go,
innovative.
JC.
Yeah,
Big ups
man.
to you, man. I like that.
Me like that. Me like. I mean, is that darker blue than it should be? But it's my friend them and I love them. I don't know I love them. So
blue
me
is
like
blue is
that,
blue.
man. I'm happy. And congrats to the, what do you call them? Graduates?
The graduate. Eh?
Graduates or graduates?
Graduates? I think both.
Yeah,
both
so
apply.
congrats to all the youngsters. And you see the different graduation exercises. There was one at St. George's yesterday for Jesse Ripple. So congrats as you move on. As you move on to
High school, big school.
Well, some to sixth form, some to university, some graduate
about
from
the
fifth
JCs.
form to sixth form, some graduate from sixth form to
College.
and some
such.
from primary and prep to high school and the junior high school. So
And,
it's
and the babies graduate
yeah,
from kindergarten
it's
5
movement.
to grade 1.
I see the people and them dress up proper, you know.
Yeah. to post foot.
Well, I don't think the youngsters, I mean, you have to pay so much money for graduation, gown and this and
Oh
that.
no, they take it seriously. Like they have on clothes underneath
Why them
that.
can't just graduate in them uniform?
You know, we did, right? Our year at Immaculate, we weren't allowed to graduate in our gowns because we were being punished. So we had to graduate.
Oh,
in
you
our
were being
uniform.
punished. But you should, well, I understand what I want, right? So from long time.
Oh,
to keep it up.
stop.
But I still think that you must just graduate in a uniform and
graduated
done
in
the
our
argument and you don't
uniforms
have to
and
spend this whole heap of money. You can save that money to pay the sixth form school fee to help with the tertiary
No man,
school
there's
fee.
something about it when you get to put on the cap and gown and
Well,
you
it should be
know,
free then.
that I kind of agree with, because if it's a
Yeah.
gown that you're reusing and
But
reusing
don't you pay
and
for it still?
reusing, you pay to rent it.
You pay for it and then give it back,
No, you pay
which
to
make
rent
it worse.
Which in other words, you pay to clean it.
Which make it worse. You shouldn't have to pay a fee. Worse if you're giving it back. You shouldn't pay a fee. Foolish is that. Me no business. I don't business. You shouldn't pay for it.
Okay, Nebs.
All
It's
right.
time for birthdays, isn't it?
You know, so I do have none.
What?
Wait, me not on a birthday.
Never?
Wait, no man, wait.
Him so fine one. Like, give him 2 seconds. All right, let me give you mine.
Happy birthday, Sharon. No, me not have none. Me just say Sharon. Somebody named Sharon must have a birthday today.
Carl.
And Cynthia and Robert.
I'm
Sharon,
proud of you.
Cynthia, and Robert. So one of them must have a birthday today. I don't have none, actually.
All right.
Good.
All right, her birthday is actually tomorrow, but I won't be here tomorrow, so I have to do it. Chantal Jackson, a.k.a. Prinny, a.k.a. my daughter, who is going to be one of the biggest actresses coming out of Jamaica and worldwide. She's in an upcoming movie
Your
being
daughter,
directed.
daughter?
No. She's my theater daughter. She played my daughter in the show. She is in a new movie
you
being
confusing
directed
me?
by V. Idris Elba, and
Can I-
she's going to be amazing in it, and I want to wish her a happy birthday tomorrow.
Something showing on your nails.
No, it's a leopard print.
Why?
What's happening here?
Why, please?
Why? Because I like it. What is wrong with Neville this month?
More on one.
You want? I made it for you. Guys,
Happy birthday, folks.
Shan.